Congratulations, it's the last week of class and you've almost made it. Just have a few more things to do to wrap up the course and then you'll be on your way to hopefully enjoy the rest of your summer before fall starts. Last week you viewed a documentary on Alfred Hitchcock and you also chose a film directed by Hitchcock on which to base your last paper. This week you'll finalize that paper. Now remember the class ends on Thursday, so make sure that you are all caught up because D2L will go offline at midnight at the end of the day on Thursday, Friday morning. Okay, so the learning outcomes for the week. Identify elements of Hitchcock's style by viewing and evaluating a documentary on Alfred Hitchcock as well as a film by Alfred Hitchcock. Apply your understanding of how to read a film by writing an essay that evaluates Hitchcock's style. Early in the week is the Hitchcock evaluation paper, and let's take a quick look at what that looks like. First, you're going to choose a film by Alfred Hitchcock and write a critical review that analyzes a major theme or themes in the film. You should use at least 2 film reviews written by film critics. In your essay, you're going to identify specific significant themes and symbols and analyze how these themes advance the plot, are significant to the film's protagonist. Don't write a plot summary or retell the story from beginning to end. Adhere to your thesis and your main points. And here's a nice list. These are in the PowerPoints as well. List of some of his more notable films. So you might want to look through and pick one of those. In your introduction, you're going to include the title of the film, the director, the main characters, and in parentheses, the actors who portray them. Here's an example. In the film Vertigo, notice it's in italics because it is a larger work. Scotty Ferguson, that's the character's name. Jimmy Stewart is in parentheses, and then you'll state your theme. In the body, you're going to give examples of how the theme operates in each scene, using quotes from the film when appropriate. And you're also going to refer to the responses to these scenes from film critics and responses to the film in general, and talk about why you agree or disagree with them. Finally, you're going to recap your thesis and then explain why you would or would not recommend this film. You'll want to make sure you're considering theme, character, plot and acting, setting, cinematography, the music and how that augments the theme, and look and see if there's a well-known, widely discussed scene or character in the film and what makes it memorable. Like in Hitchcock's Vertigo, there's the spiral staircase scene with Scotty Ferguson falling. Everybody knows about the shower scene in Psycho. There's an airplane scene in a cornfield in the middle of Midwest nowhere in North by Northwest. Every significant Hitchcock film typically has a scene or two that really jumps out at the viewers, and so you want to take a look at what that might be for your film. You're going to write a 2.5 to 3.5 page essay, including a works cited page and half-page reflection, and you'll include at least 1 graphic. This paper is due early in the week, and you'll turn it into the Dropbox. And then on Thursday, August 7th, your final reflection will be due. So that'll be the final assignment for the course. And you're basically just going to write 1 page or less on how you've become a better writer since the course began, some goals for future writing assignments for other classes or in life, and then talk about what grade you're anticipating and why you think you deserve that grade. So D2L closes at midnight. Here's your checklist. There are no readings, just these 2 assignments. And that's it. Once you turn in those assignments, you've completed English 102. So double check to make sure everything's turned in, and check the gradebook to make sure everything's accounted for, and email me with questions. It's been a great semester. I hope you've enjoyed it, and take care. Congratulations again.